Innovation. The Oxford English Dictionary defines innovation as the introduction of new methods, ideas, or products. MBA Global's Systematic Innovation Programme makes this a recurring process. Our goal speaks for itself. It's about empowering companies anywhere to create their own in-house systematic innovation program that aligns with their management strategy. So why be an innovative company? Well, being perceived as an innovative company can increase a company's value by up to a factor of 3, according to research by LaFrance et al., published in the Harvard Business Review. It also helps maximize competitive advantage to ensure longevity, and it allows you to attract and retain the best staff. The following is the proposed beta test outline for systematic innovation. So what can you expect from the beta test? The innovation beta test can help introduce an initial aligned ongoing innovation process, establishing an early innovation team coupled with a simple filtering process. A post-beta test report will reveal insights on the immediate areas of interest. It will provide high-level scoping of submitted ideas with promise and merit, conclusions and recommendations for future application. CEO and senior management input is critical in selecting 3 or 4 optimized targets for examination and to ensure strategic alignment during beta testing. Let's have a look in more detail at how it works. This is a flowchart of the beta test program. Let's look at the preliminary week in more detail. During the preliminary week, the company nominates a champion and selects the team. MBA Global assists in onboarding and training. Also during the week, the management team selects the challenges. Once the first challenge is issued, we start the first week of the ideation process. Let's look at this in more detail. Day 1 addresses the first challenge. A short brainstorming session may be held on or offline to kick things off. Let's suppose the first challenge is increase market share. We can use the innovation source map to drill down through the increase market share cell. This reveals a list of sub-elements related to increasing market share and a range of trigger questions to generate ideas. For example, are we using the latest technologies to target new customers? Over the week then, we use group feedback technology to accumulate innovative ideas. This works by sharing the challenge with the team by means of a link in an email or WhatsApp. Team members can click on the link anytime, 24/7, and can submit ideas remotely via their mobiles. Daily feedback can be through a word cloud to further stimulate the ideation process. For example, here's a word cloud that relates to an environment and pollution challenge. Day 5 in the week is about compiling and ranking the ideas submitted. The Systematic Innovation Program compiles all the ideas by originator and timestamp. The team leader and MBA Global review the ideas. The team ranks the ideas on an impact versus ease of rollout basis. We're aiming here to identify not just the low-hanging fruit, but also the major projects that require detailed analysis and financial evaluation. We use a simple scoring system to decide which projects make the cut and get passed through to the second phase, which is the validation phase of the innovation process. The team has now finished the first challenge and is ready to accept a new challenge for the following week. After an agreed 3 to 4 challenges, we're now ready to prepare the beta test report. To summarize the whole process then, the CEO and senior management select target ideation challenges. To help, we provide a tool called the Innovation Source Map. In the preliminary week, management selects the champion and the team, and MBA Global does the onboarding and training. The team receives the initial challenge via email or WhatsApp. They drill down into the source map to reveal a more detailed breakdown of the challenge scope and a set of trigger questions. The team submits ideas throughout the week, again through their mobiles. They receive daily feedback through a word cloud, such as this one on the subject area of quality. At the end of the week, an ideation list is downloaded. These are ranked on an impact versus ease of rollout basis. When all the proposals have been compiled and ranked and the weaker ones eliminated, we prepare a beta test report in conjunction with the champion and the team leader. And finally, here is a timeline of the 6-week program. On average, participation in the beta test should only occupy about 4% of participants' time over the 6 weeks. For further information, contact any of the below.